Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Amina at DBC. This is going to be a quick brow tutorial that I have for you guys. So the first thing I do is brush my brows upwards, then I use a dark brown brow pencil to draw a line underneath my brows and above my brows just to get my exact brow shape.
When she in the place to situation, then she got a chocolate body and I got it too bad. Thank you, no need to mention. I got that 5 for days,
and I move on to filling my brows lightly with the same pencil.
Your body like Shakespeare, be the high man. Bend over my bag, girl, come because she love you.
So after filling my brows, I'll use the spoolie brush to soften any harsh markings. I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to go tightly underneath my brows to highlight.
Girl, come close, no even waste time, just contain sugar cane. If you in the money, I'm not aware. Swear to you, I never kiss and tell. You know what I aim to is fast for girls that are waiting, but with so much rain.
She baby bad, baby bad. The baby dance, the girl dance.
Also, make sure to blend the concealer into your eye area so it does not appear too light. For the club, you see the girlfriend that fit just see. When I beat play for the club, then I'll use the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NW45 to clean above my brows, and I'll blend it all out. So finally, I'll go in with a spoolie brush just to make sure my brows are not misbehaving. And there you have it guys, your brows are on fleek. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment what you think about this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.